Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm covering an interesting story of international intrigue involving the Linux open source operating system kernel. Let's jump into it. Here I have an article from the Register that explains that on October 18th, an update was made to the list of maintainers of the Linux kernel that removed about a dozen developers that appear to all be Russian. This triggered some pushback on the mailing list, with people asking for an explanation. Eventually, Linus Torvalds responded to the pushback by claiming that people questioning the move were Russian trolls or bots. Probably not the best response given the situation. He goes on to discuss that there are compliance requirements and states that these requirements are, quote, not a US thing. I find it odd that this is happening now. The war in Ukraine is a year and a half old at this point. This kind of move seems like it would have come sooner. And for Linus's part, he does mention that he is Finnish. And considering that Russia and Finland have fought multiple wars and that Finland just joined NATO last year out of concern for the breakout of war in Ukraine, I can understand why he has disdain for Russians in general. However, I don't agree with just banning all Russians and assuming that they're all aligned with the government. But if I had to guess, I'd say that there's more to this story. It just seems so odd to kick out Russian developers a year and a half into this conflict. I wonder if there are some examples of nefarious code being applied to Linux. But anyways, what impact will this have on Linux? Probably not much. These maintainers apparently worked on the driver code for Acer and Cirrus Logic hardware. So there's potential for users of products from those companies to be impacted at some point, but that seems like the worst case scenario to me, probably not the end of the world. But in any case, I find the story is lacking a bit of detail. Perhaps we'll find out more about what happened someday down the road. But I'll leave this one here for today. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.